Hello and welcome to this YouTube video on Gets4. Gets4 is the upcoming fourth generation of a popular natural language processing model that gets a generative pre-trained transformer. Gets4 is expected to be a significant improvement over its predecessor, Gets3, which is currently one of the most advanced language models available. Gets4 will likely have an even larger training dataset with more diverse sources and languages, which will allow it to generate even more impressive and accurate text. It may also feature new capabilities such as better understanding of context, improved reasoning abilities, and the ability to So, what are some potential applications of Gets4? Well, with its advanced language understanding, it could be used to improve chatbots and virtual assistants, assist with language translation, and even help automate content creation for businesses. Chat has taken the tech world by storm, showcasing artificial intelligence AI with conversational abilities that go far beyond anything we've seen before. The viral chatbot interface is based on Gets3, said to be one of the largest and most complex language models ever created, trained on 175 billion parameters of data points. Up in a chatbot has taken the world by storm, but a more powerful successor could be around the corner. Gets4, the next large language model in the company's Gets series after Gets 3.5, which underpins Chat, is apparently coming next week.